Okay guys, so we just got here and they got a little POP MART machine and they have all the ones we like retail, so we're gonna get one out of this little machine.
One of those. We'll get one?
Yeah, just one. You want the small one or the big one? Last time you opened the small one, you got a duplicate, so.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. 43.
It's retail, right?
Yeah, that's retail. It's $20 each. That's cool that they have a little POP MART machine here. I didn't even know they had one. And they actually have like good products too.
Actually, the POP MART store then.
Yeah, they should. That's cool. Hopefully you get a good one of that one.
I hope so.
Not a duplicate.
We have a lot of
That's cool. It just like pulls it. Hopefully it's Monkey D. Luffy. That'd be cool. Oh, cool. And it just comes down. Nice.
Yours and mine.
Thank you.
Yay, let's go.
Alright, let's go.